So there are many sort of color picker inputs that you can actually go ahead and then take from Jotform. And one of them is Farbtastic color picker widget. So in order to go ahead and add that in, you can go to widgets right here, and then you can go ahead and type in Farb right here. Then you have the Farbtastic color picker, as you can see. Go ahead and click right here, and this is what you have. As you can see, you got Farbtastic color picker. You can add in a default color as well. So for that, you need to add in the hexadecimal code right here. So I'm just going to say AAEFEE right here, and that color gets picked up by default, as you can see right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and say pick your color right here. Let's say this may be for some design or so forth. So you can go ahead and click on this and update. Then if you were to go ahead and then preview out the form right here, now you can see the color picker. You can go ahead and click and drag and pick the color, as you can see, and then you see the relevant hexadecimal color right here below, just like that. And that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the Farbtastic color picker widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe